Hi everyone, and welcome to the YouTube channel of Being ACCA. We are Punya and Tushita, the founders of Being ACCA. And with this video, we are announcing the knowledge level batch that we are getting started with. So Punya will tell you more about this.
Yes. So after a lot of queries and requests from you all the students that are pursuing ACCA, thinking of pursuing ACCA, probably contemplating if they should start with ACCA, requested us to start the batches for knowledge level as well. So right now we are beginning with BT, MA, and FA for in the knowledge level, and we will be providing you live plus recorded classes. Specifically talking about the papers, if I say so, for MA, we already have recorded lectures available on our portal, Being ACCA portal. So that will be like in a hybrid mode, which will be you can see the recordings. Then we will be having live classes in the weekends if it is
So these will
necessary.
primarily be doubt sessions because the concepts and practice is already included in those lectures. So if you people would be having any queries, basically I handle the MA course.
Hmm.
So if there are any queries, then we will be holding sessions. I also offer WhatsApp support. That means at any time while you're studying, if you face any queries, you will be getting the access to my personal WhatsApp business number. So using that, you can get in touch with me, and if need be, we will also be arranging live sessions.
Yes, so that is for MA specifically, and for BT and FA, we are having purely live sessions, which will be decided upon the once we start with the batches. So this is starting from 15th of March 2025, and the syllabus will approximately finish around 15th of May, so majorly middle of May. So if you are somebody who wants to appear for BT, MA, FA, or these three papers in May or in June, then you can join the live batches. And if you're somebody who is appearing it at a later stage, then you can check out the recordings, and then the same pattern we'll be following, recorded plus live. If you people have any doubts, we can have a session, doubt support session, wherein we can answer your doubts, we can solve some questions, etc. Now if I talk about the live sessions, what all are we going to offer, because we know personally that there are a lot of already available resources.
Resources.
So we want to of course add on to that, not just provide you lectures with it, but then we will firstly, if you are somebody who does not have not registered with the ACCA, will help you out with the registration process, because it can be little tedious and difficult to understand. So we'll provide you support with that. We will be also providing you support. See, again, the motive of being ACCA is to help and help you achieve the degree, help you navigate through your ACCA journey. So again, if you enroll with us, even if you do not enroll with us, this is, I think, the prime motive of being ACCA, to help you in in the journey. So that we'll be doing till the end of your journey. Plus, if I specifically talk about the courses, which is BT and FA, we'll be having live classes on alternate days or on weekends. That will be decided upon. And again, the doubt support will be there, question asking, etc. Plus, practice will be there from Kepler BPP. Study Hub will be there. Mocks will be there. There will be full-fledged three mocks that we will be evaluating for you. So, you'll be appearing for three mocks at the end of the course. That is all what is included within that. And yeah, doubt support, as Tushita mentioned, will be available on WhatsApp, and we will also be creating a WhatsApp common group wherein you people can interact amongst the others also.
Yeah.
And if needed, you can personally message on the WhatsApp business number that we have if you have any specific doubts. So that is that. So again, this will be very very interactive. Not will try that it's not very boring, because again, if you are watching, if you're doing these courses, probably 50-60% syllabus you've already done before. So
At least for the knowledge
yeah,
level.
at least for the knowledge level. So we want that it's not just what you have already done, it's just that you get that interaction amongst and get that class feeling also when you're studying with other students. So that is the prime motive of having a live batch, and thereafter we'll be having recorded plus the live batch for other papers as well, just
Right.
like MA that we have. So these were all the details. Everything is available on our Being ACCA portal. It is an LMS wherein you will be getting all the lectures, all the other details, all the other material that you need for your preparation. Everything is available on our Being ACCA portal. So the live classes are starting for BT and for FA. The live classes are starting from 15th of March, and the schedule is already uploaded on our Being SSA portal, so you can check that out. There also is an orientation session that me and Tushita separately conducted, that is already uploaded on our in YouTube, so you can check out the orientation. And of course, it is your right to get the demo lectures as well before you enroll for any classes.
Absolutely.
So that's very, very essential, guys. That is the reason on our portal you will find few of the lectures that we have uploaded as a demo lecture, so you can watch those. If you feel like you're comfortable with us, with our teaching method, then you can register for the classes. That's, I think, the basic
Idea
details. Yeah,
behind this.
yeah,
And also for MA paper, I have the test series, which is also included as a part of the course. Now, we have been running these test series for skills papers, professional papers
yeah.
since very long, and we've been receiving good response considering how much it has helped students clear their papers. So I have created the test series for MA also now. It'll be a part of your course, it'll be included with it. And if you want to enroll for it separately, maybe you've taken classes someplace else or self-studied, then you can definitely check out the test series. It's going to really help you. Unit-wise tests are prepared,
Yeah.
so you will exactly find out where you're making the mistakes.
And we'll add this for FA and BT papers
Soon.
as well soon.
Yeah.
So again, same thing. If you do not want to enroll for the course, only want the test series, only want the mocks, that is also available with us, just like we do for the other skill level as well as the professional level papers that we have. So I think with this we have covered almost all of the details. If you still have any queries, you want any more details, you can DM us on our Instagram page. You can also WhatsApp us at the business numbers that are available. You can also reach us out all on these places, and we'll be more than happy to help you out.